guys, it's Lizzie. Welcome back to my channel. So some of my friends have been saying to me recently that they love watching my YouTube videos and they love seeing all the hairstyles, but they're just like a little too much, especially if like you're in a rush on your way to school or you just like didn't have a chance to shower that day or something like that. And actually two of my best friends, I'll put their Instagrams right here. Please go check them out. Were encouraging me to do a video of like the easiest hairstyles you could possibly think of. So for this video, I'm only using bobby pins. I'm using this Metro Grip premium bobby pins. I think you can get a couple of them on Amazon. They come like in like a 300 count, so pretty nice. And then for one of them, I'm using a hair tie, but it's just like a typical hair tie. So I'm not using any hairspray, I'm not using water, I'm just using bobby pins for all of them and a hair tie for one of them. So 7 of the easiest hairstyles that you can possibly think of. Let's get right into it. Okay, so for hairstyle number 1, I'm going to take a piece of hair about yay big, not huge but not small, and put it back here, like right in the back of my neck, like right, or not the back of my neck, like right at the back of my head, like right there, and just stick a pin into it, and that is it. And actually, if you want to, you can take a hold of the pin like with your finger and pull out a little piece. So yeah, that's it. This one is nice because it's usually this piece that gets in my face when I'm trying to do stuff. So I like this one because I can just, if I have one bobby pin on hand, which is super easy. I mean, I always have one bobby pin on hand, like who doesn't, right? All you need is one bobby pin and obviously a hairbrush, but you know, you can kind of comb through with your fingers if you don't have a hairbrush with you. And this is really cute because of this. It's a little bit messy. So easy, you know, like I think it took me like 2 seconds. So yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites. Okay, hairstyle number 2. So for this next one, I'm going to be doing almost exactly the same thing. I'm going to take this piece and then I'm going to take a similar size chunk on this piece. It's actually going to be a little bit smaller just because my hair is parted on this side, so there's less hair on this side anyway. And I'm just going to kind of drape them to the back, and then I'm going to, I'll show you what I'm doing here. I'm going to twist them over each other, twist them one more time, so it's like a double twist like that, and then I'm going to put a pin through them like this. But I'm going to do that on the back of my head, obviously, so I'm going to show you that really quick. So that is it. Yeah, this one's nice because it's similar to the other one, and again, you can take hold of the bobby pin and pull out a piece for right there and another one for right there to give it a little bit of a messy look. Yeah, this is definitely, again, one of the easiest. All you need is one bobby pin, and yeah, and it's cute, keeps it out of the way, keeps it pulled back, gives you a little bit over your ears, over your shoulders. So yeah, I really like this one. Okay, hairstyle number 3. So now I'm just going to pinch together a little section like this and begin to twist. So I'm just using both hands and I'm twisting this way, so like towards, I don't know, towards the back of my head. And I'm just continuing all the way down. I'm beginning to pick up bigger and bigger pieces. To add to this, and then I'm going to take a like section off the part that I twisted, but continue to twist it on top of itself. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin and stick it in it this way, and then take another bobby pin and stick this way. And then actually I'm going to take a third bobby pin and stick it down this way one more time. Okay, that is it. Yeah, this one is definitely a good one, especially if you're going out somewhere, because it looks really sleek and pulled together, but it is definitely very simple and very easy, and it kind of gives an idea of like a French twist or like a French braid. It's like similar, like a pulled up look to it, like a little French braid, but it's definitely easier, and it's definitely a good option if you don't know how to French braid, which I know what that feels like. It took me forever to learn how to French braid, so this is definitely a good option for that. Hairstyle number 4. So I'm just going to take from the tops of my ears and pull it all the way up, basically, to like the crown of my head, so that I have like half up, half down. Then I'm going to brush that. And then I'm going to take it in like 2 fingers. So basically I'm holding the ponytail like this, but with this hand. And I'm going to wrap it around, and really I'm kind of holding it like this. So these 2 fingers are really actually holding the ponytail, but I'm using my middle finger, and I'm going to wrap the hair around these 2. So I'm holding it like this. I'm going to wrap the hair around twice, and if you have shorter hair you might only be able to get it around once, but then I'm basically just going to take everything and push it down and then add pins. Okay, that is it. So mine is actually a little lopsided, but I think it's just because my hand was a little bit further right than I wanted it to be, but whatever. So this is a really easy way to make a bun. I like it because it leaves this little extra piece. Where is it? There. Just kind of like a cute little extra. And it only took me 3 bobby pins in like 30 seconds. So this is definitely a great one, especially to get some of your hair out of your face, but leave some around your shoulders. You can pull out some pieces like I always do to hang in front of your face. You know, definitely one of the easiest. So this is a good one. Hairstyle number 5. So for this one, I'm going to be doing a high bun. This is a nice, easy way to do it without a brush. It's definitely like messy because I'm not using a brush, and I'm not using like any product. Sorry, but it's just bobby pins. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to like take claws and pull up everything into like a big pile on top of my head. And then I'm going to take the rest of it and bring it up until it's a big mess. So basically I'm still using this hand to hold all of the pieces together in a big claw. And then I'm going to do similar to the previous hairstyle. I'm going to wrap it around until I don't have any hair left. And then I'm just going to pull it off my claw and put as many pins as I need. So... Okay, yeah, so I think I used 5 pins for this, but I'm not exactly sure. This definitely isn't like a classical ballet bun or anything like that. It's just a big mop on top of your head, basically. But it's definitely a great way to, so make that 6 pins. Definitely a great way to get it off your neck, especially for hot weather. And it's nice and easy. You don't have to flip over. You don't have to use any product. This is definitely a great one for going out somewhere, especially if you're doing like water sports, so that it won't be in your face, because it's very secure. So yeah, this is good. Hairstyle number 6. So this is the only one where I'll be using a hair tie, but I don't need any bobby pins for this. So this is nice if you just like have a scrunchie in your wrist or something. So basically I parted my hair on this side, so I'm just going to do it all the way over to this side. So the first thing is I'm going to take everything, all my hair, and put it on this side. I'm actually going to lower this a little bit so you can see. Then I'm going to take a section and another section below it, and I'm going to twist them so that the section below it is on top now. And then I'm going to add hair to the bottom section and twist it. And I'm going to add hair to the bottom section and twist it. And I'm going to add hair to the bottom section and twist it. And I'm just going to continue this all the way down, adding hair to the bottom, twisting it so that the bottom is now on the top. So alternately adding hair to either side as I twist. And this is nice because it's like sort of like you're braiding, but you're like not really braiding. I'm at the very end here, it's gonna like start to go like pretty far down, which is nice because it seems more like a braid. And then I'm gonna twist it one more time. Okay, and I'm just putting a hair tie in the bottom, like one more loop. Like that. And then I'm going to brush it out. And then you can go back in and pull out all the little twists for some extra oomph. This one is really cute. It's definitely a little bit fancier if you're, you know, going out to eat or something like that this summer. So yeah, this one is definitely one of my favorites for like family dinners and that sort of thing, or you know, going to an event, because it does look very like elegant but casual kind of at the same time. I know that doesn't really make sense, but you know what I mean. Especially since it's slicked back on this side. So if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of hairspray to the back or even some bobby pins, but I didn't. I just used my regular hair without any product in it and this hair tie, so, and a brush, because you know. But that is it. This is definitely one of my favorites. Okay, hairstyle number 7. So I'm going to take a pretty big chunk from right here, similar to the chunks I've been taking in the rest of this video. And now I'm going to hold it in this hand. I'm going to take this hand, make like a duck beak, and put it behind it like this, duck beak. Now I'm going to wrap the duck beak around like this and grab the piece of hair that's still sticking out and pull it through. So basically all I've done is made like a knot, and now I'm going to push the knot down onto my head, pull it out a little bit, push it down, and add a single bobby pin. And then I can take this and brush it out. So, and you can also do it on this side and make another little knot thing. but I like it just to be on the side, and I like it because it adds this little piece here, so it kind of like looks like a little kid almost, you know, like a child hairstyle, but it's cute because it looks like a child hairstyle. So it has this little oomph here, and it's like cute, and it's so easy. So I definitely love this one. And this piece of hair is usually the one that gets in my face when I'm trying to do like schoolwork or something. So this is definitely a nice one to keep everything loose and down, but to also get this little piece up out of the way. So yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. These are definitely some of the easiest hairstyles that I have ever come up with, and I love wearing them for like simple occasions, especially since you can always deck them up with some accessories or you know, headbands, that sort of thing. These are great for summer and for, you know, swimming, hiking, camping, that sort of thing. So please subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment if there are any other types of hairstyles that you think I should do, DIYs, makeup, that sort of thing. So I'm always open for new ideas. Also, check out my Instagram, Style by Lizzie. I'll put it right here. Style by Lizzie 457 is my like regular Instagram, and then Hairstyle by Lizzie 457 is my like hairstyle Instagram, where I post like all my hairstyles and stuff. So please go and follow me on Instagram, and also yes, I don't know what else I was gonna say. Okay, but give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.